I have these two antenna here. This is the Nagoya NA771. This antenna here, and the NL770S, Nagoya NL770S. This one. This came from eBay. Today we're going to test this. If the SWR of this is less than 1.5, we're going to use our impedance analyzer here to check the SWR of the antenna from 144 megahertz band and the 430, and also with the 770S, this one. It's a bit chilly here today. Our temperature 19.8 degrees C. Before testing this antenna, I'm going to show the impedance of this rubber ducky first. This rubber ducky came from, this is the stock antenna of the Baofeng UB5R. Okay, so this is the rubber ducky. This is the 144 megahertz is the lower limit, and the upper limit is 146 megahertz. This cursor here is at this our center frequency 145 megahertz. You can see it here, and this reading here is the 1.78 is the SWR at 145 megahertz. So you can see this is the impedance of the rubber ducky from 144 megahertz to 146. As you can see, the SWR at 144 is more than 1.5, and at 145 megahertz it's 1.8, and at 146 it's around 2. You can see it there, 2. Also, if you hold this one, the SWR changes a little bit. Okay, so this is the SWR of the antenna at 430 to 440 megahertz. Our center frequency is 435. You can see it here, 435, and the SWR at 435 is 1.6, around 1.6, and the SWR at 430 it's a little bit lower than 1.5, but at 440 it's less than 2. So that is the SWR of our rubber ducky from the stock antenna of the Baofeng UB5R. Now we're going to test the NA771 next. Okay, so this is the SWR of the Nagoya NA-771. So as you can see, the SWR at 145 is 28.2. You can see here, it here on the top right corner. Yeah. And even the SWR at 144 is, that is really bad. Also, up to 146. Just to quickly show the difference within the Nagoya NA771 and the rubber ducky. This is our rubber ducky. So that is the SWR of the rubber ducky. The difference is really big. This is the SWR of the NA771 at 430 to 440. So at around 430 megahertz, the SWR is more than 16. And at 440 is also more than 16, and at 435 our center frequency it's 17.7. You can see it in the upper right hand corner, this reading here. Okay, that's it for the NA771. Next, we're going to do the NL770S. This is the Nagoya NL-770S. Okay, so that is the SWR of the antenna. It's more than 7. At 144, it's more than 7. At 146, it's also more than 7. At 145, it's around 7.4. Okay, let's test this antenna at 430. Okay, so this is the SWR of the antenna at 430 to 440 megahertz. The center frequency is 435. That's around 1.6. You can see it that at the upper right hand corner. At 430, it's less than 2, around 1.7 something. And at 440, it's around 1.5 at 440. Let's remove this top part of the antenna here, and let's see the SWR without this top part. I've removed the top portion of the antenna here, and the SWR is actually a little bit worse. It's more than 2, almost 3, almost 2.5.